Welcome to all of you to this talk by Dr. Sajila Meni.
How many smokers do we have here? You've all got your carbon monoxide testing done? Smoking leads to increased amount of carbon monoxide in your body. That means more carbon monoxide means that you're tired, your stamina is gone in for a toss. Most of the smokers, they experience such symptoms. थकावट हो रही है, stamina कम हो रहा है, सुबह they have the mucus and the stuff coming, cough and frequent coughs and colds also are there, and पैरों में दर्द हो रही. These are the common symptoms that most of the smokers must be experiencing. How many of you agree? So we'll be quickly going through the presentation here. Can we just lights? This is the book, The Last Puff. The book is displayed outside also, so it is available at a very subsidized. Huh? Lights could dim this. In the book we have a king smoker and a queen smoker. A king smoker is say most of the smokers they actually say live life king size. ये किंग साइज वाला है ना जो गोल्ड फ्लैग किंग साइज, तो मेरे बुक में सबसे सामने गोल्ड फ्लैग किंग साइज ही वो की थी, जस्ट टू मोस्टली. बट व्हाट आई फील, स्मोकर्स आर नॉट किंग्स, दे आर एक्चुअली अ स्लेव ऑफ द सिगरेट्स. Correct me. Yeah, and then the female, I'm a queen smoker, so there's a BD who's been designed. We designed these figures ourselves. So the first slide I would start a smoker. I'm a teacher. Actually, when I started my practice, I realized that I'm a novice in this world of smokers. So मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है. So पहले patient के साथ ही मुझे समझ आ गई. I did a research in doctoral study. I'm the only person in India who's done a doctoral study in smoking cessation. But जब मैं बाहर आई, I met my first smoker. I said, oh, मुझे तो समझ नहीं है. Then smokers became my rule book, and every success became my strategy, and then the books. The smoker are my teachers, my gurus. So quickly going through the presentation, we'll be discussing about the mind of the smoker, we'll be discussing about some mirages and truths, and then the tobacco epidemic, and then some mantras. Smoking is a spider's web. इंसान छोड़ना चाहता है, छोड़ नहीं पाता है, फंस जाता है, बीच में अटक जाता है, निकलना चाहता है और निकल नहीं पाता. How many of you agree? First, we'll start with the mind of a smoker. This is how a smoker's mind is zapped. वो जादू मतलब दिखाया है हमने करते हुए सिगरेट के स्मोकर के माइंड में. The first thing that I would actually want कि smoking is a love-hate relationship. A smoker is in a very love-hate relationship with his cigarette. He loves his cigarette and he hates his cigarette. एक स्मोकर से पूछे आपने सिगरेट पीनी है, he'll say yes. आपने छोड़नी है, हाँ हाँ कैसे छूटेगी? Both at the same time. दोनों ही बहुत ज्यादा इंटेंस होते हैं. प्यार भी उतना इंटेंस है, नफरत भी उतनी इंटेंस है, उसी चक्कर में फंसे रहते हैं, छोड़ नहीं पाते सारी जिंदगी. Second is the denial phase. Denial phase means I'm not addicted, I can quit whenever I want. बहुत सारे smokers हैं जो youngsters हैं. I think all the smokers they actually go through this phase of denial. And the denial is like I don't have it in weekends when I'm with family, so मुझे आदत नहीं है. ये कहीं ना कहीं हमारे myths हैं. मैं तब नहीं पीता जब मैं संडेज वाले दिन कम पीता हूँ, तब ज़्यादा पीता हूँ, ये हमारे myths है. But most of the smokers they actually know it's very difficult to quit. While quitting there is a fear of failure. Actually जो smokers हैं वो बहुत गलत आइडिया देते हैं ना. तो अगर छोड़ी हो तो कहेंगे कितने दिन देखते हैं, छोड़ी है देखते हैं कितने दिन. So basically it's I think it's just one. लाइट थोड़ी सी डिम हो सकती है. Fear of failure. Smokers को actually smokers ही वो करते हैं. Non smokers would be very happy with you quitting, but smokers would be कितने दिन देखते हैं 15 दिन के बाद. तो बेसिकली fear of failure कि मैं छोड़ नहीं पाऊंगा, सब मेरा मजाक उड़ाएंगे. हम लोग एक्चुअली अपने आप में ही incomplete attempts करते हैं. Incomplete attempts lead to failure, and then we think कि हम छोड़ नहीं पाएंगे. This is the major thing. एक बहुत important चीज है जो I think most of the people actually think willpower से सिगरेट छूटती है. I feel विल पावर से सिगरेट नहीं छूटती. विल पावर is definitely required, but yes, something more is required than will power. Because जब body cravings आती हैं, जब cigarette is a mind body addiction, you're addicted from the mind, you're addicted from the body. Yeah. How many of you agree with this? It's a mind body. It's majorly a mental addiction. So normally what happens, आपने कहा आज से सिगरेट नहीं पीऊंगा, एकदम फेंक दूंगा, तो बॉडी आपकी जो है बहुत माइंड बहुत स्ट्रांग है, पर धीरे धीरे करके बॉडी की क्रेविंग शुरू होती है. जैसे जैसे बॉडी की क्रेविंग होती है वो माइंड को वीकन करती है, एंड देन यू से आई कैन हैंडल इट एनीमोर, लेट मी हैव जस्ट 2 drags and then I'll quit. This is the failure. This is where we fail. So what we do in our treatment program, we, along with this willpower, we give you supports so that the body is also comfortable. We have reduced urges. We don't have any withdrawals. Urges are minimized to a level of बिल्कुल zero ही कर देते हैं हम उसका जो level है close to zero. So basically it's तो ये हो जाता तो the quitting becomes very easy. So we require a proper method and a proper system to make people quit. Quitting versus reducing tobacco. Most of the smokers, what they do, I think most of you must have done, कम करने की कोशिश की होगी. How many of you have tried reducing cigarettes? हो सकती है? कम नहीं हो सकती. किसने की कम? अच्छा, कम वैसे नॉर्मली कम हो नहीं पाती है, कम सस्टेन नहीं हो पाती है. 2-4 दिन, 10 दिन, 15 दिन, महीना तो ठीक है, उसके बाद सस्टेन नहीं हो सकती, क्योंकि कम करोगे तो यू आर एट अ वॉर विद योरसेल्फ. How far and how long can you fight with yourself? Correct me. So, सिगरेट को मैं कम